welcome to Crazy Town. I am your mayor, Minister Danielle K. Anderson. Here we talk about spirituality, self-improvement, silliness, and stuff I like. In this video, we are continuing our look into divination with playing cards, also known as Cartomancy, with the Four of Diamonds. The Four of Diamonds in this system is called the Inheritor, and it can be a sign of large financial blessings like receiving an inheritance or return on investments. Whether this windfall has already manifested or is to come in the future, now is not the time to be a spendthrift. You should be wise and cautious in your financial decisions and cut back on your luxury and entertainment expenses for now. Instead, consider a savings plan or another investment opportunity. The Four of Diamonds is a card of patience. A little discipline and diligence with your finances will go a long way and pay out for you in the future. That's all for this video. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you liked it. Let me know what you think in the comments down below, and make sure you're subscribed and hit the bell so that you're notified on every video that comes out, especially more of In the Cards.
Hey guys, thanks again for watching. I appreciate you so much. Listen, if you liked what you saw today, make sure to hit that like button and comment down below. And if you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe so that you can be made aware of every video that comes out.
Money, 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 money. Okay. Fours are done. Now for Halloween week.